टॉर्क ड्यू टू अ फोर्स आपने फाइंड कर लिया था, टॉर्क ड्यू टू अ फोर्स टाउ वेक्टर इक्वल्स आर वेक्टर क्रॉस एफ वेक्टर। और इसी में जब आपका ये आर वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर टू एफ वेक्टर था, तब आपने लिखा क्या, टाउ इक्वल्स आर इंटू एफ, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन एंड फोर्स वेक्टर, फोर्स, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ फोर्स। लेकिन जब आप कपल बनाते हैं, couple of force, what is couple of force, what is couple of force, couple of force is, couple of force is a pair of two equal and opposite forces, a pair of two equal and opposite forces acting on the same body, on the same body, लेकिन कहाँ हो, at two different points, usually equally distant from where, from axis of rotation. What is couple of force? It is a pair of two equal and opposite forces acting on the same body at two different points equally distant from the axis of rotation. Equal है, दोनों forces opposite हैं, सेम बॉडी पर है। अच्छा, कोई मुझे बताएगा फिर कपल ऑफ फोर्स और जो पेयर ऑफ एक्शन रिएक्शन है, उन दोनों में, इनमें क्या डिफरेंस रहा? इट इज द कपल ऑफ फोर्स, couple of force are the pair of two equal and opposite forces. Action reaction is also a pair of two equal and opposite forces. तो क्या ये couple of forces का मतलब ये एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन फोर्सेस हैं क्या ये? राइट, वेरी गुड। These two forces are acting on the same body, and action reaction, a pair of action reaction, never act on the same body. They are acting on two different bodies at the same point. They are acting on the same body at two different points. So it is a body. Here it is axis of rotation. Here it is axis of rotation passing through the body. Okay. You apply a force. Most of the case, when you make a couple, both the forces are such that they are at perpendicular distance, equal perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation, acting in opposite direction. This is F vector, this is F dash vector. Here necessarily F vector equals F dash vector. कंपल्सरी है ये होना। अगर दोनों में से कोई भी एक फोर्स छोटी बड़ी हुई, देन दे विल नॉट फॉर्म अ कपल, वो कपल नहीं बनाएंगे। दे हैव टू बी नेसेसरीली इक्वल एंड अपोजिट, एक्टिंग ऑन द सेम बॉडी एट टू डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ द बॉडी, राइट? सो this is the distance r of one force, and there is another, the distance of another force is also same, r. So what is the torque of this force? What is the torque due to force F? Torque due to force F. R vector and F vector are perpendicular to each other. This is what? R vector, perpendicular to force vector. This is also R vector, perpendicular to force vector. So torque due to torque due to F vector, tau equals Rf, because F and R are perpendicular to each other. Then torque due to F dash vector. What is the torque due to F dash vector? It is again tau dash equals what? Rf dash. Perpendicular है दोनों. So the total torque on the body, it is equals to what? Tau plus tau dash. How much it is? Rf plus Rf dash. But force F and F dash are equal, so it is 2Rf. Now what is 2R with respect to these forces? What is 2R with respect to these two forces? 2R, what is 2R with respect to two forces?